So I guess we're going to bring Michael on right now.
Michael, you can have the next 3 minutes.
As there was a bit of a timing confusion.
Hello.
Hi, Michael.
Hi.
So yeah, I don't know why, because my schedule was for 6, but okay, it's okay. Just 3 minutes, 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just a couple minutes, yeah.
Okay. It's very challenging. Let me to share my screen because I prepare. I can't. See, okay, we will. So, yeah, just speaking 2 minutes to speak about my project, Little Greenhouse. The idea was to create some things for education. It's not a very fancy project, it's just to explain and for newbies how to do something cool with electronics, some things like Arduino and so on. And the stuff was to develop a smart indoor greenhouse with sensors, electropumps, OLED screens, totally autonomous, not connected to internet, was a choice to simplify the design, and to share this in a community to let the guys to implement as is or to improve by connectivity or to use for hydroponic systems or to add many other stuff inside. And for me, first, I'm very happy because I was the first at Luxembourg, very small country in Europe, to get a certification. I have the LU 0001, and after the goal was to validate my concepts to help and to produce some kits and to develop other kits for education, for newbies, and so on. So the system is more or less like this. It's just very simple with pumps, sensors, captors, and humidity. Also, there is a lot of systems, and the key is to have a setup control of when you want to water your plants and so on. All the code are shared in GitHub. And you have also real-time clock because you can also set up how much time you want to light your plant to grow more, to grow faster, for example, for basil or for other herbs and so on, or for some plants like tomatoes. It worked very well for this summer. I prepared the plants. It was very good. Yes, and I provide also all the schema and so on. This all explanation. And this is one of my favorite tools, my CNC laser, when I'm building my own PCBs. Because I engrave directly on the copper. And yes, and the result is here with a piece of my labs. And yes, and the result when I make quick prototyping, because I don't want to order to another provider, because I don't want to wait 3 weeks, 2 weeks. And that's the final results in my kitchen. I did my enclosure alone, and yes, it works very well. I just put in simple box the unit control with a simple pump. And I use the power supply of the lights to supply all the system. Also, as I say, it's the first certified project, and I have also I provide the QR scan code for who are interested to get the source of the project. Yes, another thing, if just in a few minutes, that's my lab with scopes and other things, and sometimes I repair some old amplifiers also. Yes, with one of my favorite tools is also this scope, very useful. With some labs, power supply, all the stuff, vacuum solder, all my mess here, and yes. With my heater before SMD, when I try to solve some SMD component and again my my CNC Pro. That's for my lab in my attic. That's all for the moment. I think I just 3 minutes. And if I have again a few minutes, it's just to explain quickly where I am now with the next step.
Yeah. Tell us, give us take another couple minutes. Tell us the next steps. We'd love to hear.
Yeah, just for the next step. Yes, please. Yes, because I'm the owner of Mightytronics. It's a brand. It's a business model more or less based like Arduino, but a bit different because I'm neutral with technology. You can use Atmega, ESP, whatever. And the goal is to help people to start from idea or rapid prototyping to a small scale production. And in open source world, it's just to share and to help them to have a prototyping or ready product to the market with all CM aspect, electromagnetic compatibility, and so on. And the next step is to produce a kit more reliable for education. And again, public source. You can just download it right by yourself, or you can purchase the kit, up to you, and to share and to share with the community also, because it's not incompatible. Huh? Just to have some, as I say, it's just to share the knowledge and to be professional when it matters. Another step is, and it is because it was started by a frustration. I started like this, is for Mighty Dev and Mighty Drive is my own dev board, but dev boards also some boards ready for production, because when you have some on the market, some development board, I'm not really satisfied about many points, and to accelerate the prototyping and to have a real reliable product at the end, and to help to go to the next level and not just to staying on prototyping on some ideas, because some people are struggling to do something more professional, and just to help on it. That's the goal behind. And now it's just to provide this freely, this kind of prototyping, and to have documentation, all the PCBs, all schemas, all KiCad file, because I use a lot. KiCad is another one of my favorite tools. And yes, and to share with the community also, because you can have an exchange and to improve the system. Yes, because in the past I was an early adopter of open source with Linux and so on in '98, when I start to study IT and computer science. And now this is the next step. And one of the steps also is not just focus on it, it's just also a call to action, because I'm looking for 3 pilot projects, or at least one, just to help for free. I repeat, because it's for consumers or for association, or non-professional guys for the moment, and to help community or some guys to help them to move from prototype to production, or to or to help them to realize their prototype or ideas. Why? Just to test by concept first, and to have some feedback, and to co-build some things in new open solution. So I have some packs to help on ideation, designs, to see what is good, what is wrong, how we can integrate, and to take in consideration all norms at the beginning of the design also. Sometimes it's complex, especially on this field. And yes, and just to, if you are interested, just send an email, and you can see how I can help you or support you, and to build together. That's it. And just thanks Joshua for the open hardware movement and Act On also. And
Yes.
thank you for the opportunities. And yes.
Thank you so much for coming on. I'm sorry that things got a little bit weird with our timing today, but we're definitely going to be keeping up with what you're working on. And congratulations on having the first certification in Luxembourg. Yeah. That's very exciting. Yeah. And we'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, we are